Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And in this month of April, we're teaching you a situation where you're asking someone, where do you want to go because you have some time off, maybe a vacation. And today, how about you just want to take some time off and just rest? 有的时候我们这个请假，当然可能是有什么事啦，或者要去哪里玩、出国啊，或者怎么样。坦白讲，我常常一直想要就是放个假，就是好好休息。
连假，
对对对，然后就是在家休息就好了。I don't want to go anywhere. I just want some time off to rest. Okay, let's put you in that situation. So, anyways, the theme is where do you want to go? Where are you going? 你要去哪里玩？
我去哪了？
我去哪了？我们现在就来请3天假。
会不会太多了？
需要。I want to take 3 days off. 我请了3天假。
我請了3日假。
我請了3日假。
这么久，
羡慕对不对？
对啊，你要去哪里玩啊？请那么多。
对嘛，你就问我这句话啊，太好了，你要去哪里玩呢？
很好哦，我去哪了？
很好哦，我去哪了？ That's great. Where are you gonna go and have some fun? Well, like I said, 其实我真的是哪儿也不想去，就是要在家休息。你知道这是多难得的事情啊，对不对？睡觉、看电视都可以哦，发呆、看外面的风景，我都 OK. So my answer is, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna be resting at home. 我哪儿也不去，在家休息。
哪位咩唔去？
哪位咩唔去 ？And you have to shake your head as you say that 哦，要那么边摇头边说哪儿也不去，然后
都不下歇困，
都不下歇困 ，OK， 歇困休息。I need a lot of that. That means rest. 然后在家是怎么说？
都不下。
不下 ，OK， 都不下，在家里面休息就好了。
对，那休息的海陆腔歇困。
歇困哦，他休困点不啊那种感觉哈，
就是懒的在家这样。
Yes, a different dialect that sounds closer to Taiwanese, which also means to take a rest， 要休息一下。All right, let's review some of these terms. All right, 来一个3天假怎么说
？3日假。
3日假 or 假 just means vacation, right? 太好了 ，very good。
很好哦。
哎，很好哦，好羡慕的很好哦。And finally, 休息 just to rest.
歇困。
歇困 to rest. All right. So it's all about taking some time off to do something, go somewhere, or even rest up like today. So let's review that phrase. Where do you want to go? 你要去哪里玩？
我去哪了？
我去哪了？ And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.